Hi, thanks for tuning into the Driver Dudes. Today I'm going to be building an anti-theft device for a bicycle, or a bike lock. What I'll be using is a length of chain. This is stainless steel chain. I got it for free. You could use any type of chain, galvanized steel, welded chain, so the links are quite strong. An old inner tube. This one's old. It's already cut, so and a decent lock, half decent lock anyway. The tools that I'll be using will be a grinder, just to cut the chain. This is a steel cutting disc, not a grinding disc, a cutting disc, and just eye protection. For this, I'm going to be using stainless steel chain. It was thrown away because it's been contaminated with mild steel, but there's a magnet. Yeah, it's low grade stainless steel. This is mild steel. Stainless. So that's the way you check for stainless steel, really. Just using a magnet. It's a strong magnet, as you can see. Choose how long I want it to be. That should be plenty long. Safety goggles. Just goes to show how strong the stainless is. Enough for 2 chains. Somehow I managed to cut the chain exactly in half. Look at that. Exactly in half. So, next part is just threading it through the tube. Like pushing a rope. I'll cut this to length. And now for the hardest part, opening the blister pack. strong anti-theft device. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends, like the video, and join us on social media. Thanks again. Bye.